Welcome to the picturesque neighborhood of North Admiral in West Seattle. We're here to give you a tour of this beautiful Scandinavian-inspired home perched high above Elliot Bay. I'm Kim Colapreti with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain in Seattle, Washington. Take a tour with me and discover the 5 features we love most about this North Admiral view home.
You gotta understand that we get one chance, you will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And
when our wonderful Diva dwellers bought this home, it had literally been completely rebuilt top to bottom. There was maybe some basic framing left from the house that originally stood in this spot. When we talk about expertly built homes, this one hits the very pinnacle of that tier. In my 20 years plus of experience in real estate, I've been at a lot of home inspections, but I've never been at a comprehensive home inspection and had the inspector walk away without finding one flaw, except for this home. It's clear no expense was spared or corners cut in ensuring this home would withstand the test of time and elements. And when you're perched on a Seattle hillside, knowing that only the highest quality geotech and foundation work went into supporting this home means everything, because peace of mind is priceless. So if you're looking for glitzy bathrooms, an oversized granite-laden kitchen, decked out media rooms, or flashy fixtures, you won't find any of that here. This home is designed along the Scandinavian-inspired premise of simplicity and functionality, with a focus on natural materials. In this home, you will find natural materials of superior quality, such as soapstone countertops, gorgeous cork floors on the downstairs, pure pine floors on the upstairs. Who needs all that distracting bling when you have beautiful spaces and stunning views to capture your attention? Here, the glamour is in the superb design. The beauty is in its simplicity. The perfectly organized kitchen, the cleanly designed bathrooms, the wonderfully high ceilings, and lovely uncluttered spaces, all allowing you to focus on the star of the show, the unique and stunning Seattle view.
striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance,
Creating the view as a focal point in a home is never easy. Building a home that captures the picture-perfect view means overcoming obstacles of location, design challenges, and more than not, increased cost. In spite of these challenges, when done right, the reward is so sweet. Here you have a home where the view truly is all the art you need, and it's a uniquely North Admiral view, east-facing across Elliot Bay towards downtown Seattle. On brighter days, wake up to the morning sunlight bathing your home as it rises above the city. And because you are tucked up on the east side of the slope, on those blustery days, you are protected from the torrent of wind that comes with our Seattle winters. And you have a unique view framed by the lush greenery of North Admiral's wooded eastern slope. Watch wildlife fly by in the morning, catch ferries sailing in the afternoon, and by night, you have twinkling lights of the port and the city as your dinner time backdrop. Getting this fabulous, unobstructed view means perching yourself on a Seattle hillside, which usually means giving up yard space. But who needs grass to mow or a landscape to maintain when you can have a grand view deck, or 2? The upper deck in this home runs the full length of the main floor with direct access from the dining room French doors. The open floor plan combined with this gracious deck means from spring to fall, you have double the entertaining and relaxing space with which to enjoy your awesome view, either alone or with friends. There's plenty of room on this upper deck for a gas grill, a dining table, and small potted herb garden. And as if that wasn't enough, there's even more space on the lower deck. When you head downstairs through the lower floor media room and out the French doors, there you have a beautiful deck number 2, with even more space to spread out. This lower deck offers space for lounging, socially distanced dining, more gardening, and the icing on the cake is a super schwank sauna. Grab a hot toddy, cuddle up with your honey to watch twilight descending on the city, and when you just start to get that northwest chill, hop into your private sauna and warm your bones before heading inside. With winter on your doorstep, you will be beyond giddy to have your own personal sauna to get through those chilly winter nights. North Admiral is one of Seattle's and West Seattle's finest neighborhoods, dotted with stunning 1920s and 30s homes and some fabulous new construction like this home, many of which with unobstructed city and bay views. This picturesque area offers walkability and easy access to downtown Seattle. Of course, that's once the West Seattle Bridge is back in business. Till then, there is plenty here in this neighborhood to keep you busy. You're within blocks of Metropolitan Market, great coffee shops like Admiral Bird, and the numerous bars and restaurants up and down California, many of which are offering takeout right now. Plus, it's just a quick bike ride to the foot ferry to downtown Seattle. While you're down there on the harbor, grab dinner on the deck at Salty's or enjoy some awesome outside dining and a fancy tropical cocktail at Marination's Mai Kai. You will never be bored living here in lovely North Admiral in West Seattle. We hope you've enjoyed our tour of this stunning designed North Admiral view home. Join our Diva Land community by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel and follow all our adventures on Facebook and Instagram. I'm Kim Colapreti with Team Diva at Coldwell Banker Bain saying ciao for now.